Alright, so for all of you that did not know, this steering wheel here is also telescopic, which means you could pull it back, bring it closer to you. I did not know that, which is kind of cool. Yay. Well,
now you do.
Now I do, thankfully. So, I guess I have to bring it all the way out and try to work this guy back in there. Alright, we're just almost there. Almost.
Bitch, I did it, I made it, I'm loved and I'm hated. I started from the bottom.
Alright. So, in today's episode, we are gonna start putting this guy back together.
What's up, homies?
Alright.
Girls.
So, I'm gonna start working from the driver's side towards the center console here. And most of these are just clips. There's a couple screws under the panel here that I'm gonna have to get to, like right there. And I think that was the only screw here on this side. I didn't take this apart, so I'm not really sure what screws are missing or what screws I need. So I'm gonna start with the steering wheel here, back here, because this is where we first started at, as you may know. So I got the covers, thankfully, from the previous owner. So I'm gonna put this together and I'm gonna show you when it's done. Cool. Yeah, so we found all these screws laying around the car.
The car?
Put in a cup, and so we're trying to figure out what screw will go there. If black, gold, or whatever.
I say gray.
She says gray, but anyway. And then there and in here, back here. So I'll get back with you once I find it. Cool. So found a little small black screwdriver, screw that will fit in there, and I stuck two of these looking screws under here. Yep. And hopefully.
Different color, same screw.
Hey! Stop honking the horn at me. Hopefully all that is gonna stay put. Hopefully. I wonder. There you go. Even better. Now it looks all flushed. Yep. Cool. Alright, next part is gonna be the center right here. Center console. Now I still gotta do the roof, but I gotta figure out what's wrong with this sunroof here. It's not.
I bet you it's the
It's not closing all the way, so we'll get to that later. So just got the little box here and just shoved it in the hole. Alright, and it seems like it's gonna close properly. And so what you're gonna be doing is there's two screws in each corner, one there and one over here, and then these boxes, the squares, they need to have
square ones.
This piece of metal,
special metal,
in order to screw in the next piece, which is this one. This one right here, this goes in like that. Now the screws for this thing, it's focus. There you go. Right underneath here where it says not an ashtray. them holes, you see them all the way down there?
Mhm.
Yeah, that's where these go. And these go over here.
In the little squares.
All right, cool. So let's get to it. Let's get to it.
Get into it.
All right, so what I'm gonna do is, since this side right here is broken, I'm gonna take these little ears and I'm gonna open them a little bit wider so they could at least grab something in there, if I can, if it lets me. Come on. Of course. Hold on, let me run a screw through here. It'll give me some leverage so that I could pull it and push it. Are you looking at what I'm doing here? Yes. You see? Kind of stick them out a little bit wider. Do the same thing for the other side. And I might just put it same way I did with that one. I know they should. I believe they go like this, but I'm gonna try to stick them in this way. And if not, you know what? Duct tape. Duct tape, ladies and gentlemen, because it's 2020. I tell you what, duct tape always works. Alright. Alright, so now we're just gonna slide this in. We're gonna get those 2 screws on there. Ha! It doesn't fit. Why doesn't it fit? Oh yeah, it fits. I'm just going crazy. Cool. So I take my handy dandy screwdriver like that, and I'm gonna screw the one that actually works, that I did not duct tape. Now I'll tell you what, who doesn't duct tape their car? I've seen Civics with zip ties and duct tape running around, so whatever. I don't care. At least you can't see this duct tape, homeboy. And so da-da-dum. Great. We're halfway through. Oh, we forgot this one. So not an ashtray. Fake looking thing here. Goes right in there. I do not know why they put this here. Why are you gonna put a lighter and not an ashtray? I don't know. Boom. Boom. All right. Yes, this should have been this color, but I did not find it, so we're going with that. Yes. All right, now for this center part right here, I need to plug this in there. Now the thing is, I have to go find the cables for these 2, which are under all of this. So now I'm gonna have to undo all of this, if I'm lucky. Sweet. So I forgot you could take the cups out. I forgot about that. Yes, and voila, the cables that I'm looking for are right here. So what you want to do is run them back again, based on distance here. Left, right, based on distance of the cable. So this is right, this is left, so it'll be gray on the left and blue on the right, like that. Even though the switches are colored different, yeah, I guess it'll be okay. Hopefully they plug in. Let me see. All right. Heated seats. All right, cool. Now the thing is that I am unplugging this is because I just realized I got 2 more screws here and here to put in. I have to hunt down. See the 2 screws? Whoops, sorry. There's one right there and one right there. And there's also this one here and this one here. And so around here, the cup holder is clipped on. And then inside the cubby hole, there's 2 screws right there. 1, 2. And I think I should be done. Oh, and there's one right here. Apparently they didn't remove that one. So just those 2 in the center by the emergency brake, by the cup holder, and then the 2 up front. And that should do it.
Alright, cool. Put 1 screw here for the mosquitoes eat us alive. And unfortunately, I have not come across another screw. Ah, I lied, never mind. Here's another one. Put those there. And so, now I'm going to have a steady console, which is great. Because that's what we actually needed. Steady console. Everything else here is working. I haven't touched the lighter inside of this thing yet. Or the power plug. But we will see. You know what? When I was at the junkyard, I could have pulled. These screws don't seem to fit here. They sure don't. Hey, they sure don't seem to fit here. I came across a little plastic that goes inside here, and I thought to myself, well, I don't think I need this. And sure enough, this looks ugly without that plastic. Anyway, these screws are not the ones. Because they don't fit. That's how I know. That's the way. So we're gonna go back to some standard ones here and see if they fit. But it's funny because these I don't think will fit in here either. You see? They sure don't fit. So I do not know. What is that? I was painting earlier. Oh man, I can't get it off. Jesus. So,
I forgot I made a video when I was sourcing my parts. And yeah, wrong screws. These aren't the screws. Ah, don't move. Don't move. These aren't the screws for there. The ones that go there are golden. Should have a statue in here somewhere. Go. Oh, need that. Golden. Good. Boom, boom.
That's a nice car.
What an ass torque, man. You know? Dude. You see that fucking stop sign over there? Yeah. You are an idiot. And I think the world of YouTube is gonna agree. Yep. Get him! Oh, busted!
With the canine.
Ah, busted! Alright, hopefully it's gonna be all the way down there at the end. Smashed against the tree for just eating that stop sign. Back to what we were doing. Florida life, boys. Florida life. Alright, we're just gonna screw this knob in there. My beautiful baby's gonna screw that in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, we've completed most of the interior of this car. Now we just gotta work up here. But for now, yeah, 16 minutes on the video. I think we're done. We got it all. See? Nice and neat. Boom, boom, boom. Got it all going. Cool. And I think we're gonna see you in the next time. So
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right.
Goodbye.
And do what you always love to do.